welcome back to Fast Stock Market News, where I give you the news as fast as possible in the stock market. So yesterday, as we can see, that it was an absolute bloodbath once again in the stock market. The week ended up very red for all of us again. See, the S&P is down almost 3%, as well as the Dow, and the Nasdaq surprisingly was the one that actually wasn't down the most. Well, we know at this point the Nasdaq has completely been wrecked, so it's no surprise that at least they get it one day where they're not the worst performing sector. But what was causing the market to sell off? Take a look, guys. I'll show you with this video.
I think markets are processing what we're saying. They're reacting appropriately generally, but I wouldn't want to bless any particular market pricing. The thing I want to say, though, is we really are committed to using our tools to get 2% inflation back. And I think if you look at, for example, if you look at the last tightening cycle, which was a 2-year string of 25 basis point hikes from 2004 to 2006, inflation was a little over 3%. So inflation is much higher now, and our policy rate is still more accommodative than it was then. So it is appropriate, in my view, to be moving a little more quickly. And I also think there's something in the idea of front-end loading whatever accommodation one thinks is appropriate. So that does point, that points in the direction of 50 basis points being on the table.
As you can see, it's basically just more basic. The market is pricing in a lot of the possible future rate hikes from the Fed, and it's basically now believing the Fed's going to be very, very aggressive. So it's continuously selling off. It's pretty rare when you see indexes like the S&P and the Nasdaq, and specifically in the Dow, finish almost about 3% down. Those are pretty rare days. So it's being priced in a lot of aggressive moves. But I didn't really want to focus so much on the Fed today. I know I've been rambling about it, but something that could be a lot worse for next week, and I think this could be absolutely a massive blow to the stock market, and I think this would be the bottom. If Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, not so much Meta, but Apple, Google, Amazon, and Microsoft, if they were to sell off, I kid you not, you guys do remember when it happened to Netflix, it kind of dropped 35% in one day. But if these were to ever drop even 10%, the stock market would literally crash. I mean, there's no doubt about it. The reason for that is because Microsoft, Alphabet, Apple, and Amazon combined, just those 4 companies, hold about $8 trillion worth of market cap in the stock market, and they are basically entire indexes by themselves. Specifically Apple and as well as Microsoft. Their market caps are, Apple's close to $3 trillion and Microsoft's above $2 trillion as well. But Google and Amazon also have multi-trillion-dollar market caps as well. So if these were to ever sell off, if you would see one of these companies sell off like Netflix did, 35%, you will see circuit breakers popping left and right in the stock market. It would just be catastrophic. And if you think your portfolio is red right now, you would see massive red days. I'm talking about some of your stocks would drop like 95% probably, because these carry the entire index. It's absolutely incredible that you be on the lookout next week for the big tech earnings. It's I think, in my opinion, and it's not financial advice, I think this would be the bottom if Microsoft, Alphabet, and Apple, as well as Amazon, if they tank, I think that's officially the bottom, in my opinion. I think because it's going to carry down the market massively. So that's just something I want to put in your radar, guys. Be on the lookout for big tech earnings. Very, very important. And I know it's a lot of people are on the edge of their seat, but be on the lookout for that, guys. So yeah, that's all I had for today, guys. Thanks for watching the video, and you guys take care. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Thanks again, everyone, for watching Fast Stock Market News. If you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing, commenting, or liking the video. I would greatly appreciate it. My name is Gio, and I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Take care.